All right, so here is a free online whiteboard at sketch.io/sketchpad. I can select from a multitude of different tools. I like the pencil because it looks the most like a whiteboard marker. I can pick whatever color I want. And if you want to be extra, you can add all this, but I just like being normal. You can adjust the size. The best size is definitely way over here. That way you have room. And yeah, you're going to have not the best handwriting compared to your normal, but it's better than nothing. So this is something like when you go to a Google Meets. So say I'm presenting my story problems and I'm showing them, okay, here is our assignment. Let me go over here because it's hard for me to draw on this. So I'm going to go over to my sketch pad and I'll go, okay, our story problem has 3 vans and there's 5 people per van. I can talk and explain this as I'm presenting in Google Meets. That way it's easier for you to show the work that you're doing. You can also add text by going to this, and then you can have a text box wherever you want. And you'll be able to say whatever you need to type. You can choose your font if you want something, that's not bubble letters, something like this. And when you want to create a new one, you'll just hit this button and you can make it lined so that you can type on something lined, make it look like a piece of paper. You can also select graph paper so that you can make a graph if you're modeling a graph. And you can even save and export. So say you made the graph and you want to be able to keep it, you can export it, you can save it as any of these and be able to share it as well. So I hope that this is a helpful resource for you guys, and I hope you're able to use it in your classroom.